This stunning waterfront cul-de-sac home sits on a quarter-acre on Moreno Valley Ranch Lake, close to shopping, restaurants, and entertainment. This home also has access to a community clubhouse, swimming pool, spa, sports court, and a park with picnic areas. It boasts an open floor plan with spacious living and family rooms, featuring a double-sided gas fireplace and luxurious Brazilian koa hardwood flooring. The kitchen includes granite countertops and beautiful GE appliances. Upstairs, you'll find 4 bedrooms plus a loft that could double as an office or playroom. The master retreat includes an ensuite bath with separate shower and tub, double sinks, and walk-in closet. With 82 feet of private frontage, there is plenty of room to moor your electric-powered boat, and the fishing is fantastic in this well-stocked lake. Waterfront homes at this price are rare in Southern California.